Hi guys, today I will tell you about the scientific methodologies and thinking in of scientific methodology. How to think like a computer scientist, or how to think like a data scientist, or you can say how to think like a scientist. The goal of this video is to teach you and to tell you to think like a computer scientist. This way of thinking combines some of the best features of mathematics, engineering, and natural sciences. Like mathematicians, computer science use formal languages to denote ideas, specifically computations. Like engineers, they design things, assembling components into systems and evaluating trade-offs among alternatives. Like scientists, they observe the behavior of complex systems from hypotheses and test predictions. The single most important skill for computer scientists is problem solving. Problem solving means the ability to formulate problems, think creatively about solutions, and express a solution clearly and accurately. As it turns out, the process of learning to program is an excellent opportunity to practice problem solving skills. That's why we can say that this way of program is called computer programming or computer solving problem solving solutions. On one level you will learning to program a useful skills by itself. On another level you will use programming as a means to an end. As we go along, that end will become clearer. The Python programming language. The programming language you will be learning is Python. Python is an example of high level languages. Other high level languages you might have heard of: C++, PHP, Java, Pascal, C Sharp, and Java. As you might infer from the name meaning level, high level languages, there are so low level languages, sometimes referred to as in machine learning languages or assembly languages. Loosely speaking, computers can only execute programs written in low level languages. Thus, programs written in high level languages have to be translated into sometimes more suitable before they can run. Thank you so much.